is up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. Bringing you that content that's guaranteed to put you to sleep. I hate that intersection. Today, we're headed to Tin Brewery in Chester, New York. Then coming back down to, I believe it's called Gentle Giant Brewery in Pearl River, New York. I've been itching to go to this place. The food looks good. The libations look good. And, yeah. A little bit of a different glove on today. These are some backup Harley gloves I bought. They're like regular gloves, but they cost more. And then when you go to sell them, they depreciate like normal gloves, even though you were told that they hold their value. And they come with an 8% loan rate on them. You know, got to keep that things competitive. Right in the old American taxpayer's wallet. So you know the drill. I will bring you guys back as we're on our way, because how many times you gonna look at Route 80? Oh, and I got some bigger pegs. I believe these are Black Dog cycles. I'll put the name up right here. Man, what an improvement over stock these are. Had them put on at Torque Custom Cycles and Gracie Place in Hackensack, because Mike's the only one that touches my bikes. What's that, Big Sheila? You want to go fast? Oh, I think I can help you with that. Man, that Instagram and TikTok sticker on your back windows, that must add 100 horsepower to that shit box. Yeah, we're down here in downtown Warwick. Check out this vet. How cool is that, huh? A lot of cool places to eat down here. There's an Irish place we always go to. I'll put the name on the screen here. That place is cool as hell. Food's always good. Staff's cool. We just came down, I believe that was 94, old Camaro. And we're making our way to the Tin Brewery in Chester, New York. There is a bar here. I believe it's up on the left where, yeah, George Washington drank. At B-A-I-R-D-S, Baird's Tavern there. Me and Steve tried to go there one time and it was closed. Not too familiar with this road. I got the screen blanked out. See if I see a street sign or something. God, would you look at these houses? Holy crap. When I win the Powerball tonight. And these guys get a motorcycle on me, of course. So that's what kind of guy I am with like $700 million. Yeah, this is a very nice town, Warwick, New York. Just, you gotta take your bikes to inspection, and they give you a hard time if you put mufflers on it. Like, I'm not doing that. Big Sheila needs sound. Big Sheila craves sound. And 93 octane. Man, I cannot believe next weekend is Labor Day. Boy, summer really flies by when you have to work. not too worried about it. We push through until it starts dipping below 40. After that, it's cold, and I am going to take Nico's advice and get a pair of snow pants this year. I have heated grips on Big Sheila, which is nice. And we've seen nothing but people out here enjoying the weather. It's like high 70s, low 80s, perfect. We've seen like every kind of bike you can imagine out here, all riding together, all having a good time. This is what I say, you know, time and time again. Once you get out of the congested areas in New Jersey and New York, it's just beautiful. It is. Hell, you could spend all day long riding 9W and never get bored of it. Except for that one stretch by Storm King Highway where only one lane's open. Oh, the hell with that. My Cardo is playing that track by the band. My phone disconnected, and now it's connected again and again and again. And I just... really... you really are, you know, thankful whenever you get to ride your motorcycle, because I mean, hell, life, especially if you have kids and shit like that, like there's things going on. Is that Clint Eastwood? Oh yeah, Clint Eastwood, Elvis Presley. How cool was that? I wonder if they had Marlon Brando up there. Oh, was that Big Sheila?
Would you ride me? I'd ride me so hard.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. Curves, changes in elevation. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's nothing drastic, but it's still fun as hell. Scared the living shit out of me. I thought I felt the front tire just give out on me. Dad, I cannot stand this half-ass paving you see up here. You know what? Just just pave 90% of the road and then leave some spaces in it. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. I'm making a left on Kings Highway here. Guessing we're pretty close. Man, would you look at that house? Yeah, where I live in Bergen County, New Jersey, I can just about afford to rent a cardboard box. Man, this is wild. Turning in the woods. Oh, we're here. Tin Barn Brewing. Where do you see this place? I hope you can bring your dog here. And, a lot of times there'll be dogs. I miss my dog, so I go out of my way to pet other dogs because they're good puppers. Look at this vet, huh? Tin Barn Brewing here. leaving the brewery here. Man, they have some beer called Block Party or whatever. It tastes like friggin' grape juice. I was like, oh yeah, this is bad news. Very bad news. You pull right out to this view. Tin Roof Brewery, Chester, New York. If you're up in Warwick, come up here. It's probably back 5-10 minutes. Worth the ride. It's a great place. Food was good. Had the well, I ate half the pretzel. They brought this thing out. I mean, friggin', you could have used it as a frisbee. It was so big. It was so good though. Staff very nice. Great selection of libations. They make it all. They have really nice merchandise. Really nice. And they have bands on Sunday. They got stuff going on all week. Like I said, if you're out in the summer, you're up in this area, you want something to do, come by. Plus, you can bring your dog there, and I got the pet dog, so I was a very happy camper. I'm a simple person since I lost Bella, and the dogs bring me joy. They're everything that people should be. You know, I kind of feel dogs are proof that someone upstairs cares about us. But anyways, if you made it this far, I thank you, as always, for giving up your time to watch my videos. I hope you'll come back next Friday and check out the next one. I'll be dropping videos all year. I'm Gears of Snore. I hope to see you on the next one.